Introduction. Hey, connect to world pals. Today, let's explore the term hit. It's not just about impact. There's more to this word. Let's dive into the realms of success, influence, and popularity. Meaning. So, a hit can refer to a successful and widely popular thing, whether it's a song, movie, product, or any form of media. It's often associated with widespread acceptance and positive reception. Usage. Imagine a song becoming a hit on the charts or a product becoming a hit in the market due to its popularity. Examples. Think of blockbuster movies that become hits at the box office, or a viral social media post gaining hit status. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's HD hit. A term that encapsulates the impact and success of something widely appreciated, right? Different uses. Ever heard of hit single in music? It's a song that achieves commercial success, often topping music charts. Conclusion. If the concept of hit resonates with your sense of success and popularity, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more engaging word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.